Abusia ejebo eja anya ba bebi kwese de twemu na FIFA World Cup ya ewiase nyina ekokosi akan ewo ho no wo de nyina eba awieye ema sabra me no ka say de Spain e de cup no edu wo krom ama Argentina fo a etoso mienu so kokopie mo krom wane Argentina man wo bu afuye pa ya wo matiase monte so asese ne ma se wo montiase se Argentina entimi end defend the cup no na busia before World Cup no ebeba so no na edifo bi edikan abehye nkom ewo World Cup no ho na wo mo yesunsu mo nwuma so wo so abehye nkom edi afa World Cup no ho na se wo behwe a wo obi a na wo follow World Cup na wotimu se edifo a edi ehim ewo World Cup no mu yie pa ba ko eye prophet uche e na afi wo mo so a yesunsu mo adwumayefo ya ebeka na se wo mo de ensroma any numbers e na ye adwuma no wono so yentimi nka na ye njaja na chooks wono so ye pa ko a ono kwa de wo hyase 3 years ago 2023 nim and wo de ekwan a World Cup no befa so a ebekọ wo mo ebekọ semi finals wo mo ebekọ finals ene ne obefa cup no ni nyina ede bebetu ya sa time no na ye share World Cup na se etebusu 3 years ago ya Jana Chooks beka asansem no ye share World Cup ase no e ka me ase ne nsem wo kan ni nyina ebe mu kosi se ye kodu semi finals team a wo ka ase wo bekọ semi finals no sa teams ne pepepe ede ko ya fei teams 4 obo mu din se wo bekọ finals ya na ye Argentina Spain France and afi England no edru se wo mo ko finals no na sa 4 teams no so pepepe na abusunya wo mo ko e enti Jana Chooks e sign ba bonten e be ye confirmation say ne ohu ne 3 years ago ya na ya Argentina e na be fa cup no sa pepepe e na tie ya bibia ensesan na because ready can predict 4 teams so be ko semi finals na ba munti ene boys nya ne mugidi wo mu de sa score line ko twa bet ama abusunya semi finals there wo mu twa bet wo mu di ye pa afei edru finals na wo ka se e ya Argentina na be fa cup no wo mu edi kan ko twa bet na wo mu di enum ze Jana Chooks aka say die enye baabia wu ampa sa Argentina na be fa nti wo mu so edi omu last gu so a enye bet amanfo ekotwa ye e wa Argentina chi no na enye bet keto nya asem keto sika pa na wo mu tudi gu mu na busia ye ball ni nyina awieye ya kanse ni ko na awieye no na Spain na kuku cup na sabe no wo mu na eye World Cup winners ne no na Ghana for say na Jana Chooks we disappoint o me exist form na so ko social media na nya asem keto wo mu a na etwa Jana Chooks etwa ni ye pass ne titiru wo mu ekotwa bet e wo ne prediction o de buy no ho no wa mo wo mu sa asifo busia na me no ka say Jana Chooks ababonte abetre say wo ye nipa ne obeka no eye predictions no de buy na in fact what say cards no class we read here 70% and eye accuracy say bibi entimi sisa na bebom sa pepepe 30% no say bibi betimi asi it is we nipa waka na se bibi si akwakosi na akwadane a wono de wonye afumso bia ne mu wo mu a be kotwa bet na wo mu end bet no mu na Jana Chooks say wo asem bi e ka de tro mo yenko ne nkote ensem a Jana Chooks e ka e de a kire wo mu a ejina na mu asem so e de kotwa bet ne ba be dey train komo too much so ne ye kono message so me subscribe button so ya no waka so the bell no e be ka won sa no upload video to the first person ya won sa be dey kan aka
ya bizafo mpamacho me cheche mu nyina na ye bia fo Jnana ne anopa wi anwumre me ba mo nche anye bone so mo he ya 3 years ago 3rd January said every year be no me year forecast reading for the whole world no and ekoba mu prediction me buy for year 2026 World Cup ayebebo and as usual no every year say na ya me ye no enye only 2023 nko every year na stars no e can say Spain, Argentina, France. I'm gonna be the finalist. Na Spain, any Argentina, and a backup finals. Na Spain, I share na Argentina, I share Spain. Na France, I thought third. This is what happened. We can want them 2023. We can want them 2024. We can want them 2025. And then if January 2026 so may forecast reading for the year no. And so we can want them. Now it's very unfortunate to say Enra your boy wake up in the year no said your stars and a can no me can once no and massa which is very disappointing. And to be honest with you, no me ankasa no as an individual I don't know why it did not happen. Because we will be able to make a year. This is something I have been doing for years. And believe me, God, these are very real things that you can't see. But I make very disappointing. Say uncle said you see, you know. But then you know, Musha, your bobo no best 104, 103 or so. Now, said you make kind right from the beginning, you know, be see ya be do say truly the same teams na me both, you know, or more they call semi-finance, or more they call finance. Just unfortunately, no position as a more than no necessary. They make a message 2023, 3rd January. Now we will be so to the match. I can say stars no any mistake. The stars do not lie. But ye ni pana ye read you know at times on A B I'll be to me I may say one word B, one symbol B, and now one BB. A bit to me I'm a result and casa over here no A B an ambassador. But the stars do not lie. They're making 2016 before I ever told about President Trump, I be president. Because about 90% of Grofo or prediction or Munim said the normaty, you know, Obiaka Trump can never win. I came out and I said, based on the star calculation, no, Donald Trump, that I know any president too, was going to become the president of the US. They make you go back 2014, 2015, 2016. A month for more reading or more forecasting is anomaly. About 90-95% know it was not possible. But the stars now you read say Donald Trump win, and truly he won. Go back before 2020, I said they said Donald Trump was going to lose. 2020 he lost. Or lose in 2020 na mesanka I say he will come back in 2024. Every year na meka can 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 mekan Donald Trump him. And Obekaya stars and come and make and say Joe Biden not yet president at that time, no, he will not be on the ballot. There are few weeks to election time, no, he is going to resign now or resign or ban on a Babylidi, a Democrat for or more flag bearer. They're making in see, they're making say we will be our kind of credit now follow me. You understand that they're making in a credit and you throw a no credit and make a channel. Eye oba hema wo UK obe free mu stars na be kan so obe di na anniversary bi odi wie pe obenya heart problem emu na obe free mu I said this, it happened for all the years maba social media ene normal ya na meyeye ekeka fa ho no obi o follow me ni say anya hwe no 96 to 98% of the things that make any na no ebam see entokwa wo Middle East or Mokone before 7th October. I 1st January 2023 before say I Hamas for back akota Ivra Mekai Zali. The NTBC I said everything. You better move 2024 and to quite ABC or Middle East Israel for Bemu Mekai 2026 baby because so when you be all follow me you know say this man he knows what he's doing. Baby it happens like that by human beings. I'm human, I'm God. And I've said it, say the stars, and even though do not lie, no, but there's no cast in stone. The reason is 70% of what happens to us in life cannot be changed, by 30% can be changed. And then I'm so surprised say a man will be after videos now I'm okay, but they will not say it's a Babano Kai. 3 years ago, Emma Abam up to the way say teams of Bobo Dean, I call finance, I call semi-finance. Just say the last result on Nama. You see? Every year, may you focus reading for thousands of people. A year, man, many people 100,000. Everybody will come and tell you, say, in some papa the cafe, me hono, a normal, 100%, and 98%, and 90%, and 70%. Yes, most of them minimum, but over king can stars, no, everything about you are there. They will be able follow me. The SCA be not a how. Will be a video, be a dear term and all kinds of be hard. Please, there's no need going under anybody's video to go and banter with the person because of me. Some of these things happens. A seer, I say a tear, say you move on. Men ko video be now be did Crawford term because it will be a dimatem. I think say here. I'm a human being, said I can be I'm not God, And the stars, 70% nothing can be done about it, 30% something can be done. To be my focus, I'm out there. Matre bibiama we and I said these are the suggested remedies. And what does the remedies do? Even once a woman then I bet me a year free one, I bet me minimize the impact. Good ones a woman then I bet me a year obey a bum and I say be a bayan temtem. I tell people this. It is a stars and it can be been said there's no way ubet me change be a woman. Why do I suggest that people should do remedies according to Omo forecast? There was for me by now because I'm very sorry, say Dodo na no munya fit will be mu. Na uncle said yes is but because at least by 92-95% be and go through. From the beginning to a DM bobo as someone a finance, semi-finance, exactly. And this I said it 3.5 years ago. The kind of 3rd January 2023. The Abusia I am fancy here, said the mechano. BBS say no be and ask for Becca, but you'll be able to follow me. You know this person is a sincere person, or you'll be or Bible until you're Becca boom. And somehow do a global issue of my car boom. No, some videos, you'd be better to have one who be say, and your boss, I have taken my time to study these things. I'm a life coach. Those that come to me, even say, advice at the more money, idea, boom, we. Men can go D or be video, why, yeah, be able to do my time, or can be now and then, okay, and none of us will be any so, nipa. I'm fallible. Make me a mistake. Did you see, even though check it 104 matches a boy and baby could see now. Because I will be best at 95%. All the ways I me both teams in a or Moko finance and then semi-finance. It happened. Just said the final result on Uncle Yi. Said I make personally I am so disappointed in myself. So we meant to make kind of manager because SARS I won't be able to explain now what happened. But Yame any name. My first one we and I'm say. In fact, even though the video be in regards to my predictions, a day in France, Argentina, Spain, or call finance, I'm on for be based on information with them and a lot of them got so much money. And then because they trusted me. Because of my winning be done into them Argentina and Spain, and some of this can be British, probably a real music, which is very bad and they're hardly. It is very difficult to come by money lately. It is a Obinia Sikana always in the side and hardly. So I do sympathize with Obibiana with the trust on now be Monsi Bia. The previous year, no Sika CBD and actually a Cobana Sano. But I do sympathize with all of you. Abraham Sanity. At times we gain, at times we lose. Yeah, and I hope so going forward, the Yankobo will be maybe or be energy on it in the Tumpong. It is not very easy coming by money lately. To be with Sisas Casa and a having. In fact, maybe Driana or mobile money and Hammer Pass. I decided to make a video that come back on a million and a panona. Get me a sham of beer. Instead of making a babyano. I'm a human being like you. Yes, sir. You take your time as you idea when it comes to this astrological, numerological, mystical science, And I name a one baby, but me can be 70% of what we experience in life, 30% a bit me answer. It starts a bit me can be. The view I bit me answer. Maybe so high to me answer. Until you see a football now, me cash share ya be do. Semi-finance, Nina Bermua until say finance, Nipa star the castle when you want winning. To be Biana, where they can discard that because of information, but the mind shading crying say, also could tribute my work. I do sympathize with you, and I hope say, in I see and the battery and be a near shame to be a woman. I hope say, Christ, a boy, man for a boy, Brabomu, your guidance, and you keep on doing that. I don't know Muslims when you say they also pay attention to your advice at the moment, your coaching at the moment about one of the beer to me. Tell me the money answer and go on come be home. Bye bye.
Abusia Jnana chips ne samuno na wodi atu ya no anka sakwa wo se won te ne ho ase se ni si ye no ekosi nti me no wie no ye be den ya te me si ye na se no ene okọ comment section ho a ebi a kire o madwene ni e de ama ne bi a kire se o hwe ne course so e wo board mu a Ebiana betting companies ne so wo nsa ehye ball na se because sane ye gi adifo ne sunsunsem de no wo mu se sane sunsunsofo no ne adifo no predict Argentina more no se nyame amfafie na Argentina kokofa cup ni se eki wanwe yi a na wo mu kura ntimi enye sika fa ntua betfo ne ka ntane wo mu ni wo mu kasa nye bibi fase sane wiase bibi atimisi na ne score line no ennane na cup no enkodi Spain wo sane ebeye na betfo no so musika no ebetimi atena ho nti bi kyerɛ sɛ possibility no wo ho say dia betting company no wo monsa ehye score line a epie mu no ase bi so kyerɛ sɛ wiase kra sɛ wo bibi anyina wie dia na sɛ wo ye nyame akwa yepe enti we be me hu sɛ nyame enko na wo mu so yesunsum nyuma no wo mu ntimi enje nyame adwuma enye mfa ma wo mu sɛ bo so ya ensem no emu nkyeremu ne Ghana fo bi ka wo madwene no no nam dia ba betu dia message sɛ wo nso be gya adwen kyerɛ wo comment section ho me all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like ya share na go for so de bi ahwe makra